How to create a dunning procedure in SAP. For that, we'll go to transaction code FBMP, and here you can select the standard one and make the changes as necessary, or else go to new procedure and give the dunning procedure details here. So I am giving the dunning procedure as ITC1 and dunning as ITC dunning procedure, and give the dunning interval days as 14. So every 14 days I will send the dunning letter. So how many times I am going to send? I am going to send 4 times. So we will be sending the 4 letters to the users, minimum days in arrear. So I will give it as 7. So once any letter, means any invoice completes 7 days, then only that is liable for this dunning letters. And number of grace periods will give it as 2 days of grace period. Then select the standard dunning transactions and then press enter. After this, click on dunning levels, press enter, and if you want to calculate the interest, so select this. So we don't want to calculate the interest. If you want, you can select this one. We don't want to calculate any interest on the line items which are pending. So we want always done, yes. Print all items. So we will not going to print all the items. What we will do is we will print all the items only at the end. Then if it is something related to legal, you have to select this checkbox. Now currently we are not handling legal thing in our current dunning process. So click on the charges and give the currency. So our currency is INR. Press enter. So give your dunning levels here and dunning charges. So for at the time of first letter I will going to charge 50. At the time of sending the second dunning letter will charge 100. At the third dunning level will charge 150, and fourth we will send 200. So these are the charges we are going to charge them. So it can be like 50-50 every time, or it can be 50, 100, 150, 200. That's depends upon totally business. Then click on the minimum amount. So I will not send any dunning letter which is a 1 or a 2 INR. So we have to give the minimum amount for the dunning. So I will give minimum amount as 100. So whenever invoices which are pending more than 100, then only I am going to send. Okay, then click on the dunning text, give your company code here. Here we have both two options. Either we can select vendor or a customer. I am selecting customer and give the company code as ITC. Give ITC and click on continue. Here click on new company code, click on continue and select dunning area and click on save data. Now go back and click on save. So here click on dunning letters again, click on continue. So it will ask you for a dunning letters levels 1, 2, third level and the fourth level. So here you have to give the letters whatever we have created, the dunning letters which we are going to send. So we have selected the standard one, and basically in the real scenario you will have a different dunning letter for every level. So F150 underscore B underscore DUNN underscore 01. This is the standard letter. You can copy the standard letter and change it to your required text. So what is the difference between each Dunning letter is the text only. So we are just the first one will be a very formal one, then the second one will be like we will give little strong warning to them if they don't pay. So what will be the issues they are going to face? After that, giving all this information, go to Dunning level again and go back one step and click on save. So this is how you can create your Dunning procedure for any organization. Thank you.